Hi everybody, Phil from Phil's Project. You're standing on my new filming perch for the lathe. Quick little job. Pierre had given me an arm and I adapted it to something I could use over the lathe that's not tied to the lathe, and hopefully get you guys some better shots. I'll show you that when I unhook you guys. And what we're going to be doing today is going over some of the preliminary designs for the taper attachment. I got some drawings done up, a bit of a concept. So we'll be reviewing that. So without further babbling, here we go. So here's the setup I have. So I can film above the lathe. It's just a piece of 1x2 tubing that I had left over from a client job. Pierre had given me this arm, which is great because I can position the camera wherever I want. I can position that wherever I want, plus the head gives me also a lot of adjustability. So haven't filled anything yet on the lathe, but this should make things a little more interesting for you guys, better shots than over the shoulder and far away. Okay, so let's go to the work table and we'll go over the drawings. Okay, so I've been busy practicing on Fusion 360. Basic principle, I'm going to have brackets. Okay, that'll, I haven't designed them yet. I need standoffs to clear the carriage and all that overhangs this part of the bed. Okay, so I'm going to have a couple of brackets to support two 1.5 inch chrome rods. On that, I'll be able to slide the carrier, I guess, for the taper attachment, which is not drawn in yet. Here, let's. Yeah, let me see if I can get this straight for you guys. There you go. Okay, brackets are basically 6 5/8 by close to 6 5/8, whatever. It's a piece of aluminum I have. I'll be showing you guys, which is already roughed out to this shape. This curve is going to cause some challenges, if you will, setup wise, when I want to square off this piece and get everything machined. So I have to clamp them down. I got to come up with ways of doing this which are outside the vise. That should be fun. This area here is 3/4 of an inch recessed in. I got about 400,000 on the leftover part. Okay, forming a perimeter. The center rib is going to be about 1/4 of an inch thick. I just drew in holes for now. Lighten it up instead of just a solid rib. I could change designs. I mean, there's no real use to that outside of cosmetics, so that I can play around with. This radius here is about 10 inch, 10 1/8, something like that. The chrome rods, the top of the bracket's going to be notched in. I don't know, can you guys see that? Yeah, about 200 thou. Okay, to receive the pair of chrome rods. Which are 4 inches center to center. It's going to be bolted in through the bottom. Alright, for the carrier, I'm going to have a pair of pinch blocks, okay, about 16 inches apart, and just a solid one as a follower, same diameter or within a thou, you know, just to give it a slip fit. The overall carrier is going to be 2 feet. Oop, maybe I can... Okay, sorry. Overall carrier is going to be about 2 feet long. The rods are going to be 3 feet, and the brackets are going to be about 16 inches on center. The only purpose to this is that I can move the entire taper setup up and down the 3 foot length, so no matter where I'm working, I can use my taper attachment. So that's pretty much it at this point. I'll show you the little chunk of aluminum. This is a cutoff I got from my neighbor, actually. So this radius has already been machined out. It's you know what, it's going to pose some challenges when it comes to machining this down. squaring these off and all that. I'm gonna probably have to use angle plates. I got no real way to hold it in the vise, so it'll be some fun stuff. So hold on. Okay, so just a quickie for today. That's where we're heading with the taper attachment, and well, should be interesting. I think I'm on the right track. I've had some great responses on my last video, the announcement of it. Alright, just a quickie for today, and thanks for subscribing. Thumbs up if you like this little video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Hi everybody, Phil from blah blah.